ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். திரு அட்டபயகரம் திவிதேசம். Bhagavan is present as Ashtabhujagarattan, Attabhayagarattan in Tamil. He is having 8 hands in this divine form, Archa form. Hence he is known as Ashtabhujagarattan. He is Gajendra Varadan. Peyalvar enjoys Gajendra Moksham in this Dividesham as manifested by Bhagavan here. Totta Padayattum Tolada Vendriyan Attabhayagarattan. That is how Peyalvar has performed Mangala Shasanam. Similarly, Tirumangayalvar also has performed one full Padigam as Mangala Shasanam for this Dividesham Emperuman Tiriburamundarithanum. That is the Padigam in Periya Tirumozhi, and also in Tirumadal Tirumangayalvar has glorified this Dividesham Emperuman. Utsavar is Adi Keshava Bhagavan. Tayar is Pushpavalli Tayar. There is also Bhuvaraha Bhagavan in this Dividesham who is present. Alvas Acharyas are there. Today Pavitrotsavam is happening here. Alvar Emberumanar Jiyar Tirudikade Sharanam, Jiyar Tirudikade Sharanam.